Looking for irrigation system installation and design in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know a healthy lawn starts with a reliable irrigation system designed for efficiency and long-term savings. Our professional irrigation system installation ensures your lawn and garden get the right amount of water, eliminating dry patches and reducing water waste. Whether you're upgrading an outdated system or need a new installation, our expert team delivers customized solutions tailored to Sherwood Park's unique landscape and climate. With years of experience, we specialize in residential and commercial sprinkler systems, ensuring even coverage, automated control, and water efficiency. Want to transform your outdoor space? Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert irrigation system installation and design in Sherwood Park. Contact us today to get started.